Hello students, welcome back. So today we are here with our next video and our next video related to lesson 2nd. The name of the lesson is The Thief's Story, and this lesson is taken from our book Footprints Without Feet. That is our supplementary book. So from that book, from this book, this lesson is taken, and this lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. Yeah, so in this we came to know yesterday there are two characters. One is Anil, that Anil is a writer, and one is Hari Singh, that is a 14-15-year-old boy, and that boy is a thief. And yes, but Anil didn't know about him, so that's why he gave him work, and he gave him work in his house to cook the food and other things. Yes, you mean as a servant. As a servant, he kept Hari Singh in his house. Was Hari Singh his real name? No, Hari Singh is not his real name, but that is his fake name. Yes, you mean false name. And every time when he was going to the next owner, when he was going to the next employer, he has to change his name, so that he can save himself from the police and he can save himself from the old employer also. So yesterday we came to know that Anil had given work to Hari Singh, and now Hari Singh what did? Today we will come to know more about Hari Singh and what had Hari Singh done in the lesson. Let's start the lesson from the next part. So up to here we have done. So now we are going ahead. So at night I saw him tuck hide something. So who is I here? I is the same person, same guy, and that guy is Hari Singh. That is the real fake name of Hari Singh. And Hari Singh, yes, you saw who? Who? Yes, he was Anil Singh, and he was a writer. So Anil was hiding something under his mistress. And what he was hiding? He was hiding some money. I had been working for Anil for almost a month. So now that Hari Singh was working for Anil, and he was working for him for almost a month. He has he has finished his 1 month working with Anil. And apart from cheating on the shopping, he was making, he was cheating him. And when he was going for shopping, so from shopping he was cheating. Yes, he was saving some money and had not done anything in my line of work, and he was not doing his work. What was his work? His work was to cook the food, to bring the things from the market, to buy the things from the market. And when he was buying something from the market, so every time he was making money, so he was cheating him. So I had every opportunity for doing so, and he was making fool of him. He was cheating him every time. Anil had given me a key to the door. So Anil had given the key of the door, given the key of his room, and I could come and go as I please. So that Hari Singh can go anytime in the room and can come out in the room. So this was he was frankly there because he had the key of the room, and now he was free to move here and there. He can go in the room and he can come out of the room because he had the key. Yes, so he was the most trusting person I had ever met. So this person mean Anil was the most trusting person, and he had belief on me also. He had a blind belief on me, so that's why he had given the key to me also. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him. So that's why he want to rob him, but it was difficult for him to rob Anil. So it is easy to rob a greedy man. So it is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Because he can afford to be robbed. But it is difficult to rob a careless man. So if you have a person is there and that person is a careless person, so it is a hard work to, it is a difficult work to you rob that person. So Anil is a careless person. Anil is a careless man. So sometimes he does not even notice he has been robbed. So sometimes I was doing my work. I'm robbing him. So after that, Anil does not pay attention regarding that robbing. उसने कभी कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया, एंड टेक्स ऑल द प्लेजर आउट ऑफ द वर्क. And well, it is time I did some real work. So this time I did real some work, and what was that? I told myself, I am out of practice. So now I am out of practice. I am going to leave these things. I'm robbing the people. I'm going to leave this practice. And if I do not take the money, yes, he will only waste it on his friends. So now he is thinking in himself that yes, he had money, and if I'm not going to take money from him, so he will waste his money on his friends. So that's it will be better to take money from him. And after all, he does not even pay me. And yes, if he has given the money to his friends, after that he would not be able to give money to me. So now you can see in the picture, yes, yes, you this writer Anil Singh is sleeping, and there is a train, and there is yes, you a person who is taking something from the mattress, under from under the mattress. Yes, you Anil was asleep. Anil so raha tha. A beam of moonlight stabbed over the balcony and fell on the bed. Yes, you there was a moonlight, and that moonlight was coming into the bedroom, and that yes, you moonlight was coming, he was lying on the bed of Anil. So I sat up on the floor, considering a situation. So he sat on the floor near Anil's bed, and he was thinking about the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express, 10:30 express to Lucknow. So if I took the money, अगर मैं पैसे ले लेता हूँ ना, तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगा? I catch the train. तो 10:30 बजे 10:30 पे लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस आती है, मैं उसमें चला जाऊंगा. स्लीपिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लैंकेट, और कंबल में से निकल के भाग जाऊंगा. आई क्रेप्ट अप टू द बेड. ओके, मैं अभी अपने बेड से क्रेप्ट में रेंग करके निकला. अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. यस यू अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग पीसफुली. हिज फेस वॉज क्लियर एंड अंडरलाइन. उसका फेस जो था वो क्लियर था. ओके, और उसके चेहरे पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. इवन आई हैड मोर मार्क्स ऑन माई फेस. ओके, मेरे चेहरे पर उससे ज्यादा मार्क्स थे. तो माइन वॉज वेरी मोस्टली स्कार्स, कि मेरे चेहरे पर तो कुछ ज्यादा सी निशान बने हुए थे. माई हैंड स्लिड अंडर द मैट्रेसेस, और मेरा जो हाथ था वो मैट्रेसेस के नीचे सरक गया. मैंने अपने हाथ को मैट्रेसेस के नीचे डाला. सर्चिंग फॉर द नोट्स, और मैंने नोट्स को सर्च किया. व्हेन आई फाउंड देम, और मैंने नोटों को जब पाया ना, आई ड्रू देम आउट विदाउट अ साउंड. मैंने बिना कोई आवाज किए उन पैसे को बाहर निकाल लिया, खींच लिया. अनिल साइड इन हिज स्लीप, और अनिल अपनी नींद में आह भर रहा था. एंड टर्न ऑन हिज साइड, और अपनी करवटें बदल रहा था टुवर्ड्स मी, और उसने मेरी तरफ अपनी मतलब मुंह कर लिया. आई वॉज स्टार्टलिड, और मैं हैरान हो गया. एंड क्विकली क्रॉल्ड आउट ऑफ द रूम, और जल्दी से कमरे से रेंग करके क्रॉल करके बाहर निकल गया. व्हेन आई वॉज ऑन द रोड, और जब मैं रोड पे था, सड़क पे था, आई बेगन टू रन, मैं दौड़ने लगा. आई हैड द नॉट्स एट माई वेस्ट, और मैंने नॉट्स को अपने वेस्ट पे, है ना, अपनी वेस्ट पे यानी कि अपने यहाँ पे टांग रखा था. हेल्ड देयर, वेस्ट पे टांग रखा था. हेल्ड देयर बाय द स्ट्रिंग ऑफ माई पजामा, और वहां पे मैंने अपने नाड़े की, है ना, अपना जो नाड़ा है उस नाड़े से उन नोट को बांध रखा था. पजामे के नाड़े से नोटों को बांध रखा था. आई स्लो डाउन टू अ वॉक, मैंने अपने आप को धीमा कहा, मैं धीमे से चलने लगा. एंड काउंटेड द नोट्स, और मैंने नोट्स को काउंट किया. 600 रुपीज इन 50. ओके, 50 के 600 रुपए थे. आई कुड लिव लाइक एन ऑयल रिच अर्ब फॉर ए वीक और टू, और मैं 1 या 2 हफ्ते के लिए एक अमीर, है ना, तेल के जैसे, अब अरब वाले जो लोग होते हैं तेल बेच बेच के अमीर हो जाते हैं, इस तरह से मैं दो 1-2 हफ्ते के लिए अमीर बन सकता था. When I reached the station, जो वो स्टेशन पे पहुंचता है, I didn't stop at the ticket office. तो मैं टिकट ऑफिस पे नहीं रुका. I had never bought a ticket in my life. क्योंकि उसने अपनी जिंदगी में कभी टिकट ली नहीं थी. But dashed straight to the platform. But वो सीधा वहां से प्लेटफॉर्म पे गया. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. So the Lucknow Express was leaving. Yes, he was about to leaving. वो निकलने ही वाली थी, चलने ही वाली थी. The train had still to pick up speed, और ट्रेन ने स्पीड पकड़ी ही थी. And I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages, और मैं उनमें से एक बोगी में चढ़ सकता था, जंप करके कूद सकता था. बट आई हेजिटेटेड, बट मैं रुक गया. मैंने हेजिटेट किया, ट्रेन में चढ़ने से मैंने रोका. फॉर सम रीजन, किसी कारण से. आई कैनॉट एक्सप्लेन, क्या कारण था मैं नहीं बता सका. एंड आई लॉस्ट द चांस टू गेट अवे, और मैंने वहां से भागने का मौका खो दिया। When the train had gone और जब ट्रेन चली गई, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. तो मैंने अपने आप को अकेले प्लेटफॉर्म पे पाया और कोई वहां पे नहीं था, प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं अकेला था। I had no idea where to spend the night और उसे अब कुछ भी नहीं पता था। He didn't know where he had to go, कि वो कहाँ जाए, कैसे रात बिताए, कुछ नहीं पता था। I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. ओके और मैं मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं था। क्यों नहीं था? क्योंकि मैं मेरे दोस्तों को ना को सबसे बड़ी समस्या मानता हूँ। And I didn't want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. So he did not want to stay in the hotel also. Yes, you. The only person I knew really was the man I had robbed. Okay, and there was only one person, and that person was Anil, और जिस पर्सन को मैंने लूट लिया था। Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. So the greedy man showed fear. तो जो लालची लोग होते हैं वो डर दिखाते हैं कि मेरे पैसे लुट गए हैं। द रिच मैन शोड एंगर और जो अमीर लोग होते हैं वो गुस्सा करते हैं पैसे छिन जाने पे, खत्म हो जाने पे। द पुअर शोड एक्सेप्टेंस और जो गरीब लोग होते हैं वो कहते थे कि चलो हमारे लक में नहीं। But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. But Anil का जब चेहरा मैंने देखा तो उसके चेहरे पे थोड़ी सी उदासी थी। Not for the loss of money, पैसे खोने की उदासी नहीं थी, but the loss of trust, विश्वास खोने की उदासी थी। I found myself in the meadow and sat down on a bench. मैंने वहां पे खाली जगह पे मिली और मैं वहां पे बैठ गया। That night was chilly. So up to here we will do. Okay, that night was chilly. We will do in the next video. Thank you.